Hi guys. This is my um, final project, and for this final project, I made it for China. It's called China: The Awakening Dragon, and in this project, I created four different pages, which also includes the title page. So this is the title page, and the first page is called the Beautiful China. Um, in this page, I put many like places, like Chinese places, like some sites or some culture stuff in it, which I think is really cool in it. For example, as you can see here, um, uh, this is the Lantern Festival. If you click it, you can see the description of it, and also um, like this, the Chinese New Year picture, and all this very cool stuff, I think. Okay, so this is my first page, and my second page is for the Chinese dynasty timeline because China really has probably like the one of the longest history in the world. So I think it will be pretty cool if I build a page like for the different dynasties. So um, from the first dynasty, which is the Xia dynasty, and all the way I created all the way to how China is built, the People's Republic of China, and also uh, each each page, each dynasty. If you click it, uh, you can see yeah what is the time of it, and also I chose some pictures that can represent this dynasty the most. I think it's pretty cool. And for the last one, yeah, I really like this one. So this one for the last one, I make a little like a little quiz, like a little. You can or also you can think of a little game to test yourself, to see if you because right now I think you must know a little bit about China at least. So in this third page, in this fourth page, you can see on the left is have four pictures. On the right, there are four descriptions, and um, so the things you gotta do is you can match the picture. If you, for example, if you want to see who is the founder of China, and apparently it's Chairman Mao. So if you drag Chairman Mao, the picture of Chairman Mao to this, yes, and there will be because it is correct. You can see there's a green arrow on it, and also you can hear the audio effect of it. And also, if you put it wrong, there's also you can see the cross, and also there is the audio effect of that. Yep. So yeah, this is my final project, and I hope you'll like it. Thank you very much. Thank you.